How to type Apple logo on your iPhone. Example here, I type Apple logo. You also can type Apple logo on your iPhone. Let me show you how you can do it. First, open your iPhone settings. Then scroll down and find General. Then tap on General. Then scroll down and find Keyboard. Then tap on Keyboard. Then tap on Text Replacement. Then tap on plus icon top right corner. Then paste Apple logo. I put first pin comment, just copy that. Then type Apple and tap on Save. Now you can type Apple logo.